You're not alone. Do you feel stuck? Like you're in a rut? We all crave comfort, a safe space where things feel familiar. But what if that comfort is holding you back? What if true growth, the kind that makes your heart sing, lies just outside that comfort zone? It's time to break free. It's time to explore the power of mindfulness kits. Fear and uncertainty can be paralyzing. They whisper doubts and keep us small. Mindfulness kits are like having a toolbox for bravery. They equip you with simple yet powerful tools to navigate the choppy waters of stepping outside your comfort zone. These kits help you face your fears, quiet your inner critic, and embrace the unknown. I used to be terrified of public speaking. The mere thought of standing in front of a crowd would send shivers down my spine. I would feel a knot in my stomach, and my mind would go blank. My heart would race, my palms would sweat, and my voice would tremble. It felt like the whole world was watching and judging me. I couldn't shake off the fear, no matter how much I tried to calm myself, but I knew deep down that sharing my research was important. I had spent countless hours working on it and deserved to be heard. I realized that if I wanted to make an impact, I had to overcome my fear. So I took a deep breath and volunteered to present at a small conference. It was a daunting decision, but I knew it was a necessary step. I practiced my speech over and over, trying to build my confidence. The experience was nerve-wracking but exhilarating. As I spoke, I could feel my nerves slowly settling. The audience's encouraging smiles and applause gave me the strength to keep going. That first step outside my comfort zone ignited a passion I never knew I had. I realized that facing my fears head-on was the key to personal growth. It was the beginning of a journey that would change my life forever. Imagine your comfort zone as a circle. Inside, everything is familiar and safe. You know the rules, the expectations, the outcomes. But within those comfortable boundaries, growth is limited. True potential blossoms when we dare to step outside that circle into the space where discomfort lives. It's where we learn, adapt, and discover who we truly are. Stepping outside your comfort zone isn't about leaping into the unknown without a parachute. It's about taking small, intentional steps towards the edges of that circle. Each step, no matter how small, expands your circle, builds resilience, and opens doors to new opportunities. Section 6. Mindfulness, turning fear into curiosity. Mindfulness is about being present in this moment without judgment. It's about acknowledging those butterflies in your stomach and saying, "Hello, fear, I see you," instead of letting fear control you. Mindfulness helps you approach it with curiosity. What can I learn from this feeling? How can I move through it with courage and kindness? Section 7. Your DIY Mindfulness Kit, a guide. Your Mindfulness Kit is a personalized collection of tools that help you stay grounded and navigate challenging emotions. It serves as a sanctuary, a small but powerful reminder that you have the resources within you to find calm and clarity, even in the midst of chaos. There's no right or wrong way to create one. The beauty of a mindfulness kit lies in its flexibility and personal touch. It's a reflection of your unique journey and what brings you solace. Choose items that resonate with you, that bring you comfort and a sense of peace. Think about the things that make you feel safe, loved, and centered. These could be objects that evoke positive memories or simply items that appeal to your senses. Here are a few ideas to get you started. A journal, a safe space to pour out your thoughts, fears, and dreams. Writing can be a therapeutic process, helping you to process emotions and gain insights into your inner world. A sensory jar, a mesmerizing swirl of glitter and water, calming to the eye and mind. Watching the glitter settle can be a meditative practice, allowing you to slow down and focus on the present moment. Affirmation cards, uplifting messages to boost your confidence and self-belief. These cards can serve as daily reminders of your strengths and the positive qualities you possess. And candles or essential oils to create a soothing atmosphere with calming scents like lavender or chamomile. Aromatherapy can play a significant role in reducing stress and enhancing your overall well-being. You might also include a favorite book, one that brings you comfort and joy. Reading can be a wonderful escape and a way to immerse yourself in a different world, providing a break from daily stressors. A small plant can also be a great addition. Tending to a plant can be a grounding activity, connecting you with nature and providing a sense of responsibility and care. Lastly, consider adding a soft blanket or a piece of fabric that feels comforting to the touch. The tactile sensation can be incredibly soothing, offering a sense of warmth and security. Remember, your mindfulness kit is a personal sanctuary. It's there to support you, to remind you of your inner strength, and to help you navigate through life's ups and downs with grace and resilience. Section 8, Action Plan. Small steps, big impact. In this section, we will explore how taking small, deliberate steps can lead to significant changes in your life. It's about making mindful choices and embracing the journey, one step at a time. Ready to take the leap? It all begins with a single step. Whether it's starting a new habit, pursuing a passion, or simply stepping out of your comfort zone, the journey starts now. Start with these simple steps. Begin by writing down your goals. What is it that you want to achieve? Break it down into manageable tasks. Each small step will bring you closer to your ultimate goal. Identify what's one small step outside your comfort zone that you've been wanting to take. It could be anything from speaking up in a meeting to trying a new hobby. The key is to challenge yourself just enough to grow. Prepare by gathering your mindfulness tools and spending a few moments grounding yourself. This could include meditation, deep breathing, or simply sitting quietly. Centering yourself will help you approach the task with a calm and focused mind. Take deep breaths, engage your senses, and visualize yourself successfully navigating the experience. Imagine the positive outcomes and how you will feel once you have accomplished this step. Visualization can be a powerful tool in overcoming fear and building confidence. And finally, reflect. Afterward, journal about your experience. What did you learn? Reflect on the emotions you felt, the challenges you faced, and the victories you achieved. Writing it down helps to solidify the experience and provides a reference for future growth. How did it feel to step outside your comfort zone? What surprised you? Embrace the insights and use them to fuel your next steps. Remember, each small step you take is a building block towards a bigger, more impactful change in your life. Section 9. Your journey starts now. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. It's where you'll find your voice, your strength, your most authentic self, and you don't have to do it alone. Create your mindfulness kit, gather your courage, and take that first step. The world is waiting to meet the bravest version of you.